Welcome back, dear student. Today I am going to teach a lecture entitled RNA editing. So start with the introduction. What is RNA editing? RNA editing, any process other than splicing that result in the change in the sequence of the RNA transcript, such that it is differ from the sequence of DNA template. Example, in molecular central dogma of molecular process through which some cells can make distinct change to a specific nucleotide sequence within an RNA molecule after it has been generated by RNA polymerase or process known as transcription. The reason is RNA editing are mainly the alteration of sequence of nucleotide in RNA. या तो उसमें एडिशन होगा या डिलीशन होगा किसी भी बेस पेयर का आफ्टर इट हैज़ बिन ट्रांसक्राइब फ्रॉम डीएनए और बिफोर ट्रांसलेशन जितने भी मॉडिफिकेशन होता है पोस्ट ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल मॉडिफिकेशन ही होते हैं आफ्टर डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन के बाद जब मैसेंजर आरएनए फॉर्म होता है जिसमें कि कोडिंग एंड नॉन कोडिंग दोनों ही सीक्वेंसेस होते हैं तो सारे मॉडिफिकेशन इसी प्रोसेस में होते हैं बट बिफोर ट्रांसलेशन लेकिन ये सारे प्रोसेस ट्रांसलेशन से पहले ही होते हैं। आरएनए एडिटिंग में इंक्लूड इंसर्शन डिलीशन एंड मॉडिफिकेशन तीन प्रोसेस हो सकते हैं या तो इंसर्शन एडिशन हो सकता है या डिलीट हो सकता है कोई सीक्वेंस एंड मॉडिफिकेशन या तो फिर केमिकली मॉडिफिकेशन हो सकता है ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड विद इन किसमें आरएनए मॉलिक्यूल में। आरएनए एडिटिंग इज रिलेटिवली वेरी रेयर विद कॉमन फॉर्म ऑफ आरएनए all kind of RNA like mRNA, tRNA and ribosomal RNA. Splicing, capping, polyadenylation not usually considered as editing. RNA editing is totally different process and relatively very rare. First consider a Beiser relay now recognized as wider spread. RNA editing is a process in which information change at the level of messenger RNA. It is relatively by situation in which the coding sequence in an RNA differ from sequence of DNA from which it was transcribed. So, RNA editing occur by two distinct mechanisms. First, base modification, second, insertion and deletion editing. इन बेस मॉडिफिकेशन क्या होता है केमिकल अल्टरेशन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल न्यूक्लियोटाइड इंडिविजुअल के न्यूक्लियोटाइड में केमिकली मॉडिफिकेशन होता है और मेन एंजाइम जो यूज होता है मॉडिफिकेशन में वो होता है डीएमिनेज दैट कन्वर्ट साइटिडिन इनटू आरएनए साइटिडिन टू यूरेसिल। एडिनोसिन डीएमिनेज क्या कन्वर्ट करता है ए टू आई कन्वर्जन और एडिनोसिन टू आइनोसिन कन्वर्जन जो कि मेनली देखने में कहाँ देखा जा सकता है सीन इन क्लोरोप्लास्ट प्लांट माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया और ह्यूमन जीन्स समटाइम्स इन ऑल्सो ह्यूमन जीन्स। इंसर्शन एंड डिलीशन एडिटिंग मेनली क्या होता है बेस पेयर एज बेस्ट दे कैन विद द आरएनए टू बी एडिटेड एंड सर्व एज टेम्पलेट फॉर एडिशन और रिमूवल ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड इन द टारगेट साइट्स मेनली सीन्स इन काइनेटोप्लास्टिड और प्रोटोजोअन मोनो और डाई रिप्लेसमेंट। सो स्टार्ट विद द history, origin and evolution of RNA editing. So, first discovered in Trypanosoma mitochondria. Usually Trypanosoma is a protozoan, everyone knows, contain flagella, paraflagella, subcellular microtubules, surface membrane. Kinetoplast क्या होता है Kinetoplast is the region of the mitochondria containing highly packed DNA or around 20% of total DNA. So, mechanism seen in Trypanosoma mitochondria because they may involve larger fraction sites of DNA. It is sometimes called pan editing, distinct from its typical editing of one of the few sites. gRNA mediated pan editing mainly क्या होता है यहाँ पे insertion of U residues is an entirely different from biochemical reaction. As you can see in this diagram, what happened यहाँ पे देखिए जैसे पिंक कलर के यूरेसिल एडिशन आपको देखने एडिटेड एमआरएनए फॉर्म हो रहा है डीएनए स्ट्रैंड के बाद एडिटेड एमआरएनए फॉर्म हो रहा है जहाँ पे हमारा यूरेसिल ऐड हो रहा है जिसकी वजह से पूरा जो सीक्वेंस है वो फ्रेम शिफ्ट हो रहा है। यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस में चेंजेस कैसे आया जी ए के बाद यहाँ पे यूरेसिल आ गया उसके बाद पूरा शिफ्ट हो गया सीक्वेंस यूरेसिल के एडिशन के बाद एडिटेड एमआरएनए फॉर्म हो गया उसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गाइड आरएनए फॉर्म हुआ एमआरएनए के बाद गाइड आरएनए फॉर्म हुआ जिसके बाद प्रोटीन फॉर्मेशन हो गया डिफरेंट प्रोटीन फॉर्म हुआ। So, what is guide RNA? Guide RNA in general, very small 40 to 70 nucleotide complementary portion of messenger RNA, structural element, anchoral information part, oligo U tails, base pairing to gRNA with unedited RNA give mismatch origin, which are recognized by editing machinery. In general, RNA editing mechanisms are based on protein or protein RNA complex and required guide RNA molecule, which through base pair with the target RNA determine the editing site for messenger RNA. In simple terms, guide RNA or gRNAs are the RNA that guide the insertion or deletion of uridine residues into mitochondrial mRNA kinetoplast process known as RNA editing. Guide RNA, gRNA also used in prokaryotic DNA editing involve CRISPR and Cas9. Editing is catalyzed by a multi-protein components, and the proteins involved in this process are endonuclease, exonuclease, TUTase, RNA ligase, helicase, and 20S editosome. Endonuclease, mainly cleavage in vitro, occurs at the unpaired nucleotide immediately upstream of the guide RNA and messenger RNA anchor duplex. Exonuclease removes non-base paired uridine nucleotides after cleavage of detection editing site. Helicase. Each guide RNA must be displaced from the sequence that it creates to enable binding by the sequence gRNA and also from the mRNA complementary before translation. And RNA ligase. The natural editing ligase substrates are nicked double-stranded RNAs that are complementary base paired after the correct addition or removal of U nucleotides. TUTS and TUTase. In insertion editing, US are added to 3' end of 5' mRNA fragment by a terminal uridine transferase as specified by guide RNA. And after this, 20S editosome insertion and deletion type RNA edited that is catalyzed by protein complex known as editosome. 20S editosome have common set of 12 proteins including enzyme for urididyl removal and addition, 2 RNA ligase, 2 protein with RNase 3 like domains, and 6 protein with predicted oligonucleotide binding site fold. Editing by deamination. 3 processes mainly occur: C to U editing, A to I editing, and alternative messenger RNA editing. C to U editing. This editing involves cytidine deaminase that deaminates the cytidine base into uridine bases as name suggested. Apolipoprotein B example, apolipoprotein B gene in humans. A to I editing. What happened in A to I editing? Mainly RNA editing in mammals and occur in region of double-stranded RNA. Adenosine deaminase acting on RNA are RNA editing enzyme involved in hydrolytic deaminase of A to I editing. Examples where it can seen plants, chloroplast, and mitochondria. Alternative mRNA editing is same as in lecture 2 RNA splicing. Alternative RNA splicing. C to U editing. The editing involves cytidine deaminase, apolipoprotein B gene in human cells. As you can see in this diagram, the ApoB mRNA produced in the liver has same sequence as the exon in primary transcript. This messenger RNA is translated into ApoB100, which has 2 functional domains. First, an N-terminal domain, which you can easily see in green color, that associated with lipids, and C-terminal domain in orange color you can easily see that bind to LDL receptor on cell membrane. In the ApoB mRNA produced in the intestine, the CAA codon in exon 26 is edited to a UAA stop codon. As a result, intestinal cell produce ApoB48, which corresponded to N-terminal domain of ApoB100. Now, A to I modification contribute to nearly 90% of editing events in RNA. The deamination of adenosine is catalyzed by double-stranded RNA-specific adenosine deaminase or ADAR enzyme. What happened during this process? In functional changes by A to I RNA editing of coding sequence. In diagram A, L-glutamate is the predominant excretory neurotransmitter in vertebrates nervous system, and the glutamate receptor GLUR has implicated in neuronal plasticity and higher functions such as memory and learning capacity. Adenosine A to I RNA editing of GL glycine and arginine Q or R site lead to the replacement of Q by arginine residues. Ion channel receptor that contain edited GLUR2 subunit are impermeable to calcium channel, whereas channel that lack the edited subunit permit influx of calcium. QR site editing also regulate the tetramerization and intracellular trafficking of receptor protein. While in second diagram, serotonin receptor have important role in the physiological and behavioral process such as circadian rhythm, emotional control, and feeding behavior. GPCR or G protein coupled function of serotonin receptor 2C are dramatically reduced by AI RNA editing that occur at the 5 site. You can see A, B, C, D, and A, E sites. For example, the potentially of agonist stimulated G protein activity of the fully edited receptor isoform valine, glycine, and valine is reduced by 20-fold compared with the unedited receptor isoform. The fold-back double-stranded RNA structure, which consists of short double-stranded region, bulged and loop, is formed because of partial complementary of exon and intronic editing site complementary sequence. Fine. This thick dark blue line represents the exon and the thin dark blue line represents the intron. Certain sites are exclusively edited only by the ADAR1, ADAR2, ADAR and exclusively the QR site of GLUR subunit and the D site of 5-HT2CR, where ADR selectively edited the A and B site. The molecular mechanism that underlying edit site selectively is not yet completely understood. However, the secondary structure in the fold-back double-stranded RNA substrate as well as functional interaction between two members of ADR1 and 2 might dedicate editing sites selectively. Several intronic editing sites that have been detected in GLUR2 and 5-HT2CR double-stranded RNAs are not shown. RNA editing in plant mitochondrial and plastid. RNA editing seems in two RNA editing primarily occur in two energy producing organelles, plastids and mitochondria. Organelle RNA editing is often viewed as the mechanism of correction to compensate for the defects or mutation in haploid organelles genome. A common type of organelle RNA editing is deamination from cytidine to uridine. RNA editing in viruses. RNA editing in viruses like measles, mumps, influenza is used for stability and generation of protein variants. Viral RNA are transcribed by virus-encoded RNA-dependent RNA polymerase, which is prone to pausing and shuttering at certain nucleotide combination. The data from recent experiments shown that the ADAR1 directly enhances replication of RNA viruses like HIV virus, hepatitis delta virus, vascular stomatic virus, and measles. Any virus whose chromosome exists as double-stranded RNA during infection can potentially be edited. Recent evidence showed that many viruses, upon entering a cell, do in fact undergo RNA editing. The two mechanisms, miRNA and editing mechanism, can act incorrect to increase viral application and contribution to viral pathogenesis. As in addition, up to several hundred non-templated A's are added by the polymerase at the 3' end of nascent mRNA. As you can see, the biochemistry of adenosine deaminase, a schematic diagram of adenosine deaminase that act as RNA enzyme ADAR binding to an RNA substrate. Double-stranded RBMs are shown in green color, as you can see in double-stranded RBMs, and catalytic domain in blue color, where you can see A convert into I. Adenosine is converted into inosine group in red are affected by the deamination reaction. Thank you, dear students.